How to add most viewed blog section on Squarespace. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to add a section specific for showing up the featured blogs, or let's say here the most viewed blogs into your website. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. We are going to head over to squarespace.com. Once we have did that, we're going to find the websites that we have created. Select the one that you want to begin the work with. And as you can see, we're going to find it here. Now, we are going to head over the left side of the screen, click on websites, and you're going to click on pages. Then we are going to head over the blogs. From the blogs, we are going to head over or select the blogs that we want to, or we want them to be as the most viewed. So I'm going to select these two. I'm going to have them like that. So we are going to click on settings for this one. We're going to head over here and we are going to be on the options. We are going to have featured post. As you can see, we are going to enable it on here. So some templates and blocks will highlight a post flagged as featured. This is going to be the equivalent of most viewed. And I'm going also to have this for the options, featured, boom. Now let's head over a page here, like the home page. I'm going to click on edit and we are going to add a new section. So I want my section here to be before this for here. So we are going to add a section. Preferably it is going to be a blank section. For the block, I'm going to try and find a summary block or summaries block. We're going to have it like this, and we're going to modify this summary. Basically, the content is going to be selecting a page. We're going to put the blog, and from the date posted, we're going to put none. Or we can go ahead and have, for example, the author or the tags, and it is going to show up here the featured ones. So as you can see, this one has been activated as featured, so it is going to show up these instead. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.